Kami nagapungko da.
Wala ba?
Ay, ako gali si Lola Miding.
Boy, hindi na picture si Lola.
Hindi na si Ma. Gusto na kayo pa eh.
Kaka, ganda gani ko to, ka pa.
Latest yun na po nada klase.
Basi ba lang siyang teacher ka, ho?
Good morning, class! I'm your ma'am, Sherley, your teacher in reading class 1. So, before we start our class, may we request everyone to please rise for a moment of silence.
Okay.
Amen. Once again, good morning. I'm your ma'am, Sherley, and I think it's best to start this class knowing each other and respecting each other's differences. So, who would want to start? Yes?
Hello, classmates! Hi! I'm not Superman, Batman, neither Spider-Man, but I can be your man.
Hi, I'm Kate Grace. You can call me Kitay.
I'm really excited to lead in this class and read more stories.
I'm Marvin. Just call me Emma.
Hi, I'm Gretchen. You can call me Herbie. I'm only child coming from an all-female exclusive school. I have difficulties in dealing with the opposite sex, so please bear with me. Hi, classmates. My name is Love. You can call me Love Love.
Hi, I'm Bert, short for Berting. Being an orphan and the eldest of mga magulutod siblings, I actually have to work for my family. And I also actually thought na I'm the oldest in this class.
Ikaw na na.
Good morning, classmates. I am Marisita Martinez. You can call me Lola Miding. I have 6 children and 17 grandchildren. One of them is actually our classmate, Yunel. When I was 10, I was forced to quit schooling to help my family. In God's grace, all of my children have graduated in college. Now, it's my turn to go back to school.
Yes! Class, please settle down first. Please don't forget to bring all your requirements tomorrow. Okay, class dismissed.
Ma'am,
Thank you, Git, sa pag-share mo kay mga story, ha?
daw nahuya. Gani ako nga magpadayon sa pag-eskwela.
Normal lang ran. Hindi man kita pa rin mong inagyan, pero naintindihan ko ikaw. Kung ganit sa mga, sa mga palagay ba lang nga tudlo, nakalbaanan ko pa to. Ano kay, si isog pa kang mga estudyante kung para kanakal. Ikaw gani ang estudyante nga pangita kang isa ka maestra. Sige, sa sunod na kasi, ha?
Oo.
Hindi po pala tawa.
Ka? Kung ka natulog, ako na matulog sa bata.
Sigurado ka?
Oo. May programa pa kami bukas aga. Kinandaan, Risco, ang tsura ni Madam Principal.
Ganda. Kita tayo na din matunda sa mo, ha?
Hindi ka nadapit.
Nga kinanglan pag nga mag-speech ako, nga wala ma ako honor.
Siyempre, Lola. Hindi ko tingala ako blasang mga estudyante. Kapin pa ako.
Di, ano naman kinanglan mo?
Si Lola, wala ah. Proud lang dito sa imo.
Tigit plansa ko ron ang atin nga bayo para sa sugon. Tapos, ikaw lang ang sulat ka akin nga mga harambalan.
Oh, Lola, kaya mo na ina. Ikaw pa.
Isuportahan mo lang ko.
Talang ka. Suportahan ka.
Papa, baliki ko mag-color para hatagan man ko ni Ma'am sang star.
Kaya mo na ina. Ikaw pa.
You are the blossoming ones. I am the setting sun. But education brought us together, empowering us to move beyond the light. Education, education knows no bounds. Education goes beyond age, race, and time. It unleashes us from the chain of ignorance, transforming our lives to better ones. Education, education knows no bounds. Education goes beyond age, race, and time. Education knows no bounds.